welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, we tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We always could spot a friend. Welcome back. And I smile when I think how it must have been. And I know what a scene you were learning in. Was there something that made you come back again? And what could ever lead you? What could ever lead you? Back here where we need you. Back here where we need you. Yeah, we tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back. And I know what a scene you were learning in. Was there something that made you come back again? And what could ever lead you? What could ever lead you? Yeah, where we need you.
Hey, what's up? Ross Man. The Hex Man.
Ross tipped $100. Hex used RT Mitch.
Thank you, dude. Roll Tide. Yes, Roll Tide indeed. What a day to be back. Thanks so much for the first contribution of my homecoming, I guess you want to call it. I don't know, dude. Like, people be like, it was only a couple days, but you tried, say you work your career for 3 years or whatever building something, and then you walk into your office and like, you've been terminated. And you're like, why? And it's like, oh, we can't really tell you. Well, spamming. But you're like, could I get some more resolution on that? And your boss that you've known, I guess, for 3+ years is like, yeah, sorry, dude. You can appeal, though, if you want. And that's like how you feel in this interesting, it was a little purgatory. So glad to be back. Let's go. Let's go, Ross. Wow. Alright, he's monopolizing the requests.
Ross tipped $100. Link used thanks mid-charty.
We'll look at Link. We'll look at Hex. We'll look at Bitcoin. That is... Dude, if you thought it couldn't get any more into size, it did. It just... Now it's like a high, a lower high, then another lower high, and then you got higher lows. But dude, being below this 200 moving average sucks. Figured maybe if it was gonna do the hidden bullish divergence dance and play out, it was gonna rise and break through 36,000 and you were gonna get a higher high for once, but nope. Sorry, dude. It just dead middle of a trading range. It is just not a good area at all, dude. Which is really unfortunate because a lot of the altcoins are at good areas or have come off of good areas, and if you want the follow through for them to hit like normal traditional targets for like trades and stuff of harmonics, Bitcoin has to continue its ascent upward, otherwise you're screwed. Let's go. Are you kidding me? That's 300 and it's been 8 minutes since the stream went live. Wow.
Ross tipped $100. ETH 1 hour, 4 hours is thanks mid-charty.
We will take a gander at Ethereum on the 4 hour and the 60 minute. Oops. Sorry about the double. I had my stream elements open. Sorry. Thank you, dude. And there you go, man. Bitcoin's selling off right now. Down $100 on the day, but hitting its lowest level of the day. Right. Just weak, man. Really, really weak price action. Consecutive lower highs and a few consecutive higher lows. And once you break that support, see it, you're going down to 31K again, most likely. All right. Hidden bullish divergence not really doing anything. What happened? All right, so been trying to get back in the swing of things. Getting back in the swing of things. Where I was trying to do it yesterday, now I'm trying to do it again. Yeah, maybe. I don't know, dude. Yeah, probably. Maybe. Okay, so I mean, I'm here like almost every day. So as we look at the daily again, where nothing's really, you're still dead middle of range. You're still not making higher lows yet on the daily, discernibly. Nope. And you're just as uncertain as you were the past 5 days, probably. I mean, pretty much, right? It's just so cool story, bro. I mean, there's just more things to talk about, like stock market, right? I mean, really strong close to the S&P and Dow Jones, and then you had the Nasdaq hitting an all-time high, and you got Oracle hitting, I think, its highest level ever. Apple and Amazon killing it. Amazon hitting all-time highs today. Apple, I think it might have closed at all-time highs. We'll look at it. And then PayPal mooning, doing really well. But, Tesla continuing to slide. One of the electric vehicles not doing well today. Nvidia finally pulling back. Netflix pulling back. Facebook as well. So, dude, there's just not really anything implying anything great for Bitcoin right now on a significant time scale. You can just come back in, a couple weeks. But it's just the way it is right now. So we go to Ethereum, pulling back, of course, with Bitcoin. Wow, I'm so surprised that Ethereum's pulling back. Everything's not pulling back, man. Everything's pulling back. It's going to happen. And look, it's almost like you have triple, oh God, dude, give me a break. This is pathetic. I mean, it's like triple MACD bearish divergence now on Ethereum. Yep, that's happening right now. One high, a second high, a third high that's slightly higher than the second high. Impending price action reversal is being implied right now. What do you have, like a little rising wedge, dude? Just a little mini upsloping price contraction structure going on, right? Am I crazy here? I don't know. Maybe I am. Whatever, you know, that's happening. I mean, you even kind of got that RSI bearish divergence going on, right? A high, the higher high, the highest high, lower levels. So great, man. But what, I mean, despite that, you know, if TA is respected maybe next, maybe it's going down. But, you know, from the low to the high, I mean, at its highest point, it was at 40% in 10 days. So that's exceptional. Sorry, this trend line. And it was asked to look at the 60-minute, which I guess we can do that too, sure. $60-minute. 60-minute, it looks even better. It looks incredible. I mean, it's only 2 touches really, kind of, you know, but at least you know where the demand line is, around 22.85. Failing to hit the top again, kind of weak right there. And a little bit of bearish divergence on the MACD zoomed in. So yeah, just kind of maybe down next a little bit. Implied on 4 hour. That's only because Bitcoin's crapping out. I mean, just kind of selling off. It's just so stuck, man. Bitcoin is the same price it was June 28th. Bitcoin's the same price it was June 23rd. Same price it was June 9th. Same price it was May 30th. Same price it was May 21st, May 19th. I mean, all over the place. Dude, it's just like, Bitcoin's the same price it was February 2nd, January 25th, January 17th, January 11th. Dude, it's just sideways stuck, man. Good God. All right. 60-minute there. So would you also asked for Hex. He wanted Hex. We'll look at Hex, which is, you know, down 1.35%. So on off, dude, this one looks so good. I can't even believe it, how stupidly. Now it may come down to the 200 moving average again. Sure, you know, there's still a little more downside to go, but dude, when you're talking about like consecutive higher lows like this, it could turn out really well for you. I mean, it's pretty much sprung and back tested the spring from May 13th. It's in an insane uptrend, and it might be just showing another classic accumulation pattern. That's Hex. Like for real, you're about to lose that negative momentum, and it looks like it's just kind of syncing up a little bit with Bitcoin right now. But it, you know how little it correlates to Bitcoin. Probably one of the lowest betas I've ever seen in crypto, at least these days. What? It was stuck. Okay, so I like Hex on the daily because the hidden bullish divergence is on both oscillators right now. Like a low on price and then a much higher low with much higher levels of negative momentum and lower levels of relative strength, implying a continuation. And if you're showing this pattern on the 4 hour, this is what could be what ushers in the continuation to the upside. So that's kind of a couple time scales. Bulkowski pattern on one, divergence on another, and a really massively bullish trend that's also on your side, you know. So we'll see. I mean, again, you can come down to 7.8 cents again. You just make a higher low than the July 2nd low, and this potential pattern is still going to be valid as an idea. 3 valleys, 2 peaks. It's always that's what it's made of, man. So. Yup. Very, very good. So that's your Hex, dude. I don't know what to say. It's like I almost feel bad about, you know, I mean, doesn't it feel almost wrong? 1.1 cent entry and then take profit, exit trade at 9.7 cents. And now here we are, and I'm identifying another like potentially really bullish continuation or reversal pattern. It's insane, dude. All right. Welcome back, Mr. Conte. Okay, welcome back. That was your Hex. That was your Ethereum, Ross. Oh, and now he wants to look at Link, which, you know, really looks good if Bitcoin can not dump. You know, it's just like the same old proverb of all the altcoins, most of the altcoins right now. Where it's like, yeah, dude, the upside on Link is stupid still. It's still like 27% upside. It has to hold $20. Look where it's at. You go back to yesteryear, literally about 11 months ago, and it is still holding above this high, August 16th, 2020, a buying climax for correction, consolidation, and then more insanity. So you're above that. Very good. You stay above that. This could be the first time you're technically back testing it. Right? Look what happened last time Link back tested that level from August of last year, June 12th. You know what happened? When it back tested something that was once a resistance and support, it ran up 32% in 2 days. So you haven't back tested successfully yet. So that's what you're looking for on Link. Hoping that can stay. Now, and one thing you did do yesterday, or pretty much did, was you tested the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart for the first time since you sliced right through it May 19th. So I think that's very real. You need to get back above that, but I really dig in the amount of accumulation you're showing at these levels, at this critical level. And it has no chance if Bitcoin dumps. But if Bitcoin holds on, these altcoins got a chance to keep running, man. You're just getting like whack-a-mole, just different ones pumping up 15% here and there on different days. All right. That's your Link. One thing else we can look at is Link to Bitcoin. That it would imply right now that Link will be outperforming Bitcoin soonish. Yeah, it's perfect. It's literally, it doesn't get much better than this. Oh wait, it does, but it happened already on this chart where it was a textbook bullish Gartley trade setup that hit the targets and then dumped. But where did it dump? Back to a major level of congestion, support resistance back from March and April of 2020 last year. You held it once, just kidding, you held it twice. What is a second holding of an area of support resistance? We maybe call that a confirmation or reversal low. But I mean, within, you know, locally it's like 1 time, 2 times, and then like 3rd time, like the top of the zone's just kind of been tested as support, higher lows here. I mean, that's just so good. So yeah, same thing kind of happened. You testing that 200 moving average for the first time since June 4th, and you're pulling back a little bit. Still up on the day, 0.43%. The upside on this, I think you could eventually see 750,000 sats plus. A lot of echo. Yeah, what am I gonna do, man? Well, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get it furnished. There's just still things like they just finished up my closet. Like all the storage stuff, we made it like into like a real commercial office closet, you know, for things because I'm not putting clothes in there. So it's an ongoing thing, it's an ongoing process, and you don't want to be bringing in furniture and stuff while there's just like dust and they're just drilling holes in walls. You have to be patient, delayed gratification, but it'll eventually all come together and there will be no more echo. All right, just bear with me. So, you know, I mean, you've moved before. And if you want it to be perfect, you got to do the right things, the right order. It's not just furniture. It's like getting a bigger like rug on the floor, getting things on the wall. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. What am I drinking? Coffee. But it's the homecoming stream. So if y'all want to give me an excuse to drink some wine or something, I'll be happy to play the game if you want. Dude, I talked about at the beginning of the stream. It's a weird, you know, it's like the Pablo Escobar meme where he's like sitting in different areas pondering off into the world and, you know, just thinking. That was me. Definitely me. That was the closest I ever felt to being Pablo Escobar in that meme. Okay. I look like I have a cop mustache. Dude, that's ridiculous. I do not have a mustache. Yeah, it does make me look kind of like a mustache. You're right, dude. Super chat tips are disabled. Oh, that's something that changed because, dude, remember when your account's completely gone? Yep, that'll happen, dude. Let me see if I can change that.
I was telling a guy to sub you last night and he couldn't. I gasped when I saw you were banned. Freaking YouTube. Ray Nation is strong like Alabama.
That's right. Well, thank you, dude. Retracing go over the 5. What the heck? Let me do something real quick. All right, that's weird. Some people will be like, that's good, because it's like, you can't give YouTube 30%, right? Forgive me, man. Weird. I don't understand. I'm on this and it's like, oh. Ah.
Hey Mitch, I just noticed that BTC made a huge crab pattern on the daily. X28 February low. A all-time high. B25 April low. C8 May high. D22 June low.
Super chats are re-enabled. Thank you for the 5. Deep crab, huge crab pattern. Yeah, Stream Elements, Streamlabs works without. They do not take 30% if you tip through Stream Elements. If you tip through Super Chat, YouTube literally takes 30%. Then the IRS takes 27% from me. So then it's like, wow, I get less than half the money pretty much if you stream or if you use Super Chat. I'm just telling you, it's reality. I'm not complaining. Just, well, people didn't know that. People always say that. I didn't know that. Let's see. X February 28th. What are we going, the daily or something? X February 28th low. Oh, X. What about A is probably April 14th? Oh, yep. He's saying this. He's saying do this. I think someone had brought this up on Patreon. Yeah, it's a butterfly, not a crab, right? 78% retrace on B. And then D is the June 22nd low. June 22nd low. It would be pretty much May. That'd be a loaded. And then it's like you got your confirmation low. That's a butterfly. I mean, yeah, if you use those as your anchor points, sure. It is. But the problem is, you know, your terrible price action. 50 days now. You got 50 days of bulls not being able to do anything at this level. And Scott Carney has that 30 bar rule where 30 days it extends on like that. It might not play out. It might just be bearish consolidation.
Will be with you no matter what
so add to the.
You are on. Keep your head up, my man. I think it's time for a new first in the penthouse. Spin that wheel. Hype in the chat.
Well, I think we've spun the wheel. We had Patreon streams, but I mean, we can certainly. Oh God. Why would this happen? Why would my wheel not be working? Give me a sec. Thank you, Tegafu, for the 12. Can they refresh the cache? Oh, what the heck? What's up with that? Obviously not Chug. Get wrecked, dude. Thank you. Can't believe this guy tells people to get wrecked. I can't believe it, dude. There it is. Easy. What about bullish divergence on the daily MACD? Does anyone see it? I mean, it's definitely there. I mean, it's undeniable with a low and the lower low. It's even more discernible on the total market cap frantic. What's up, Fort Lord? Thanks so much, dude.
Is that a joint?
Hold on, what? Right? How about that, Frantic? That's way better.
Feels a bit weird that Coinbase suddenly pumped 7% while crypto is a big nothing burger. Anyway, congrats on getting the channel back. Kings forever.
I don't know if it's weird. Just assets, they move up and down, they oscillate in price. I thought we looked at Coinbase had broken a supply line at least and it stopped making lower lows. Thanks, dude. But yeah, I mean, there's definitely bullish evidence. And then, you know, Frantic's like this. He's like, does no one else see this? No one else see that? It's very real. It's just, where is the follow through? Where's the beef? Where's the pump? I mean, it should be happening. It should be like, it's time. We're in the time. Okay, so here's another thing. It's like, you had the divergence. You got some pump, but barely anything. And then look at this. You know, you got that RSI downtrend since the beginning of the year. We keep talking about and bringing up. It's just like right there, dude. You can't break it. It must break. I must break you. And like, you'd think that there could be, if you do break that RSI downtrend, you could see massive upside, see 40K again. No problem. Fail, 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 fail. Story of Bitcoin lately. Yeah, I mean, that's definitely a butterfly. What's up, LMP, dude? Thank you, man. Spin chug.
Charger slip 21 tip $25. Welcome back, brother. Spin chug. Congrats, bruh. Can we also get a brew for YouTube incompetence? Much love. Clinking beer mugs. Clinking beer mugs.
Thank you, Element of P, dude, for the 25, the Tempted Belushi, and the spin, and get wrecked. Sorry, dude. Yeah, man, it's been rough. Dude, it's just been a rough time. I'm happy to be back. I mean, I think I'm getting back there. I don't know. Like, we'll see. Yeah. Why'd your IRA take a big beating if Nasdaq hit all-time highs? I mean, because there are other sectors that didn't do too well. I mean, there's individual assets that you probably own that didn't do too well today. That's probably why. So yeah, I mean, you're there, but you know what we'll try to do? I'll try to reach out to Scott Carney and we'll try to get him on to talk about what's here, what's going on here. You know, and you go to 3-day, and that 3-day was showing kind of like the hidden dive. Look at this, it's unreal.
Spin chat. Spin please.
Sure. Sure, Tucker. Thanks, man. 12-12, 11-11. Nope. Now what I could do is actually get the wine and play the actual game. But that would require me BRBing. So, dude, look at the 3-day. You haven't seen positive momentum on the 3-day since March 17th, dude. How many days exactly is that? Dude, we're talking about 111 days. No positive Momo. And it's about to go. It's so close. And you do understand, if you're being technical, just technical.
ACB. Spin buddy. Good luck.
That is hidden bullish divergence. Thank you, J. Nathan. Good luck. Yeah, it is going to be good luck for me. You got a no % chance of hitting chug here. Sorry, dude. Patron drink. Right. I mean, that is 3-day hidden bullish divergence. You even made a slightly, you've been making higher lows than the lowest low, that low from January 25th. So it's like, even some hopium to smoke, you go to the 3-day and then you'll get your hit of hopium. It's there, undeniable. You could be like, I mean, here's more hopium smoking. It's kind of like, oh, is that a reaction low? And then potentially a reversal low, and we just haven't taken off yet. And you know the peak, the discernible peaks right here at 41.2, June 15th. Kind of. So, wow. How nuts would that be if this was the bottom? That is the argument for the bulls. But bears have their argument for, well, you're just making lower highs. You're, you know, showing bearish divergence. Dude, Dr. Colossus, man, let's go.
Dr. Colossus tipped $100. Hey Mitch, good to see you back on. Can you check out fourth on the 4 hours? TC reversal in progress after a filthy downtrend. Thanks, man.
Thank you, Dr. Colossus. I did look at fourth today for scans on my watch list, and it's like a cracked out
$25.
through rising values.
That's what I'm talking about. Wake up, chat. Spin.
All right, Tuckafu, here you go. Should I spin one for Dr. Colossus as well? All right, spin again. All right. Okay, and then it's like one more. Sorry, my music ended. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Tuckafu, you must drink. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna be like, is there a way to get community? Oh yeah, create a poll. Oh my god, I've never done this before. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna make this safe and fair. Never done this. Ask community. I have no idea where it pops up. It's not showing up anywhere on my... Oh, there it is. Oh my god. This is really cool. Check your pinned. Like where it says now.
Spin.
What's up, Troy? Thank you, man. For the 10. Spin again. God. Yeah, this is very interesting argument. You know, the more I look at it, I'm like, dang, dude, that's like serious. I mean, we flip it over. I think it's just really, really tough to say. But yeah, what makes you just feel maybe just like, how in the world is it going to keep dumping when you haven't seen positive momentum on 3 days since March 17th, and you're literally at like the lowest point of negative momentum you've seen since March 20th. You know, it just keeps subsiding. Good God, 68% said now. Yeah, but like only 151 votes, so.
Congrats on being back, bro. Spin.
Hey, Alexi. Thank you so much for the 10. Must always inflect on that. God dang, spin again. I don't know, trivia, we just gotta change it to something else, because it's good for Patreon night, but not good for when I'm just here on my own. So, anyway, that's your Bitcoin 3-day hopium. It's actually pretty compelling. I hate to say, I love to say it, but I hate to say it too, because I don't want to be a moon boy hopium smoker. Because there's CME gap at 24.5, there's a CME gap at 46,500 and change, right? So there's a long way up and down to fill those gaps. So you just think that if it's truly in a very bullish trend and it just had a correction, this would be it. You know, this would be the area, if the last level of support that is testing and testing, this would be where, and you're gonna see a part 2, 100K at the end of the year. This is it probably. This is probably where it reverses. Okay? I mean, the way the altcoins look is really, to me, it's 2017 part 2 on like what they did. All the altcoins, they're just doing the same thing they did, man. Same freaking thing. And some are doing even better than they did, okay? I mean, we're just talking about like, like Ethereum. But for instance, something like Dash, look what it did. It lost from that low down here from January 2nd, like discernible swing low, like 90% of its value lost. And now what could be happening if Bitcoin's gonna not dump and break down to 24.5? This is like absorbing remaining supply, but this also could be where it's back testing what was once a major resistance as resistance again, and it could be time to go lower. But dang, man, it has lost so much value. So much effing value. 88% value lost from its major discernible swing low before the huge run happened. So I mean, the downside potential is just not near as great as the upside potential of these levels. Sorry, dude. Dude, you can't. argue when the asset from its highest high of the run to its lowest low, it lost 78.6% of its value in 46 days. There's just not as much downside potential as there could be upside. And this is like all over the place, man. All over the friggin' place. So fourth, right? You asked about fourth. Yeah, it's like a cracked out 3 rising valleys. That's what I was saying. Like 1 valley, 2 valley, 3 valley. Look what it did. It back tested the spring of 1413. It showed hidden bullish divergence. That's what, dude. It's, if I have to look back in hindsight, whatever, you know. But it's really either one. It doesn't matter whether it's this low or this low. You can pick whichever one you want because it's gonna be hidden bullish divergence either way. So like that's the ticket. That's the ticket to high probability outcomes when an asset springs, back tests a spring, and while it's back testing a spring, it's showing impending price action continuation. Okay, that's what you're looking for there. And now it rallied and it's testing the 200 moving average. It's bounced up 15% today again, but now it's in the dead middle of the range between $14 and $24. So really kind of tough. I mean, that's the area. That's the ticket area to prosperity. Okay, if you can hold that stuff, right? I mean, dude, there's other ones doing it that did it, that had been brought up, and now they're playing out. Engine was one, Dot was another. I think there's another one doing the same thing. Oh God, yeah. All right, so let's see how many votes. 237. I don't think it's changing. You voted for it, okay? You're the viewing audience. You voted for this, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna get this and alcohol, and we're gonna keep the. I mean, you notice the fireworks right behind the chat. I'm back, man. It was scary. Enjoy the live stream. Like button, the bell. So thanks for being here. All right, king.
Forgive me, I played so many tricks on you. Forgive me, for never treating you right. Where is the reason to stay together? All we can do is to say it's better.
All right, I'm sorry, I'm back. My God, man, my God. What a world. So yeah, I guess we're gonna start playing this game sooner rather than later. What, is there a lag? Don't troll me, dude. Good, the shut up the job from Sopranos, dude. 1986. Just kidding. But whatever. All right, cheers, everyone. I got it. Yeah, that song that was on, I'm sorry, that was terrible. I'm like, who gave this person the opportunity to even publish music, you know? I'm getting banned on YouTube. They should be getting banned from wherever the F they're making that music. Good God. Whew. No, I did not win. Someone outbid me. They sniped me, and I was in the middle of my stream, and I didn't even get notified, and that was it. So I missed out on that, on the auction. I'm gonna get it though. Don't worry. I'll get it eventually. So yeah, fourth. I mean, upside eventually $24 again. That would be the target if it was gonna hold here. Same time, Bitcoin craps out. It keeps dumping. Then back to $14 again. But at one time, there was an area of greater value that made more strategic sense. That's it. So Jeremy Ragsdale, man. It ended. So that was fourth. I think that was it, man. There's no more requests, right? That was for Dr. Colossus. Oh, ACB. Aurora Cannabis, man. Oh, get wrecked, man. Get wrecked, ACB. So you'd have like, seems like lower risk areas down at $7, $7.46. Look at that spring you got. Maybe you back test the spring, and maybe at the back test of the spring, somehow you get yourself a harmonic, right? I mean, that might be all you got, man. Let's see, is it, I think we would go like this now. So 54, so it's 886. Man, that's pretty close. Something like that, like a bullish bat. Right at that area, that inflection area. Zorverus, man! Oh my God! Oh, you are now the penthouse Jesus, Zorverus, man.
Zophorus tip $300. Your education has changed my life, and others too. I want a moment to be the penthouse Jesus, and I challenge you all to come in and chop me. Also, for those still holding their cream bags, is the patient man still gonna win on this one?
Yes, Cream will be. Cream is the one. Cream is the one. I'm telling you. I tried telling you on Hex, but not based on me being a fortune teller or any of these things. Just based on significant time scales, consecutive levels of accumulation, methodical accumulation, not spiked, crazy, psychotic pumps and dumps. Look at this. Look at this chart, ACB. That is not Cream. Okay. Yeah, hold on, let me change that real quick. Dang, I can't believe Ross just got supplanted. Is that it? Oh, it's 1-0. Then it's now 300. Thank you so much, Zophorus, for the 300 and now the penthouse Jesus, man. Made it to the top. You'll get a tour of this place when it's finished, and that's gonna be a while. I mean, dude, there's so much. I'm talking about. There's like a patio out on the other side of the penthouse that I'm gonna try to get like completely like, it's like sealed off with windows, and it's just crazy. I can't even believe the thought process of the people before me, what they were doing. But don't worry. God willing, capital willing, we're gonna make this place is like amazing. It's gonna be even better. So, yeah, I don't know, man. ACB probably coming down to 717 again. Maybe you hold it, you know, but it's getting wrecked right now. Yeah, been taking a beating, down 4% on the day. And that is the area to watch. If you don't hold 717 to 750, you could be seeing 535 again. So there could be a lot of downside. So that's the one thing to watch on ACB. All right. But at the same time, this is actually awesome strategic area. This is exactly where you want to see harmonics develop, dude. You want them to, the XABCDs and the D to hit an inflection point from March of last year, and you want it to be after a sell-off. And look at it. Yeah, you made the lows, the lower lows, the lowest low, and all of a sudden you make a sell-off and you make a deep 88% retrace, but it ends up being quietly a higher low back testing the spring. This could be actually incredible, but it's going to take some more time, probably some more selling before you see this develop, and then you get a reaction low. Maybe you run out and you make a reversal low. So yeah, this is actually it's probably one to watch. Keep your eye on for the technical stuff. Okay, ACB. There you go. That was it, dude. That was for and we're gonna look at cream now. That was for Jay Nathan. Thank you, dude. Alright, cream, which is, dude, unreal. Dude, it's so unreal. You understand this is like a kind of a pseudo inverse head and shoulders too, right? I mean, like, dude, it's like inverse head and shoulders.
He looks thirsty, chat. Let's make him drink spin.
We'll do it, man. I'll play the game now at this point. Dang, dude, after 11 support right there, dude, that's crazy. We're playing the game. All right. All right, gulping then. Fine. Dude, look where you are. Look left. September of 2020. You break this area convincingly for real, and it's inevitable. It's almost inevitable. The way it just makes these higher lows, and now you're up at it. The absorption of remaining supply is almost complete on cream. And I'm talking cream probably going to be going up to $308 once this breaks. And you're going to be like, I can't believe cream, man. I can't believe this. It's going to be on CNBC. Kramer's going to be like, I bought cream, dudes, at $300. This is it. Like, if you're watching the stream, anyone, and you're like, oh my God, this guy's drinking alcohol. Dude, this is it. Cream. Your ticket to prosperity in the crypto market that is, it's like Hex in terms of its low beta. It doesn't correlate to Bitcoin. That's it, man. Hidden bullish divergence on your previously higher low. Discernible higher low on the daily. June 23rd. This is it. If the breakout's coming, it's coming really, really soon. That's it. $300 upside on the daily. So what is that percentage-wise? From where you are right now to where it could go, where the target would be, we're talking 85% upside on cream. That's it, dude. No value. Oh my God, I'm watching the stream and I can't believe this guy.
Welcome back, man.
All right, social, but social is pretty much gold. All right. See, already almost done with my 5 ounces of wine or whatever. What is it, 7.5, 5 ounces? I can't remember. Retracing go, it's probably more than you think. For sure. And I just love right here, locally. It's like a, kind of reminds me of gold. You know, remember that gold trade setup? It looks like that, but it's on the daily. This is it. I've already pinged patrons like 3 or 4 times on cream throughout like the past month. I don't know what else I can do at this point, really. I'm treated like kind of like someone who would like, I do the weather, but for crypto, for trading of markets, and it's like, this is it. The storm, the hurricane looks like it's about to go category 5. Okay.
Spin. Glad everything was resolved. Citadel carry you.
Thank you, Band Dan. Yeah, Citadel had my back hardcore. Dude, the amount of support y'all showed me on Twitter was insane. We had people that were getting ready, literally, to go to the YouTube headquarters in camp. But we had multiple people that were like planning it if it didn't get resolved. So thank y'all. Holy crap. Alright, I gotta make a new. Hold on, I'm not spinning, so I'm not gonna be behind.
$25. Hey Mitch, glad that you are back to your throne. Can you have a look at OMG? Thanks.
Well, look, OMG, it's not about the same as everything else, you know. When you look at OMG, it's not really. Oh my God, hold on.
Spin buddy.
Okay, that's one spin. All right, this is for Alcalfa. All right, and which is nothing. Burger.
Spin it, Mitch.
All right, this one's for Chef Rojo. Patron drink. Sorry, I'm good. And then Ligma. He got diagnosed with a case of Ligma. Gulp. All right. Yeah, it looks like you're gonna have to miss out on cream if that's the case. But dude, this one looks better than everything else that exists right now in crypto. Everything. Better than Hex, because Hex's upside has already occurred. We already identified it and it played out. This one has not done that yet. Okay? So, this is it, dude. And what's really insane about Cream is how it's back testing the daily 200 moving average as support, holding it, and still just all the higher lows. The higher lows, it's accumulation. Composite operators here. You see here, it's probably probes or something. I don't know. Okay. So I'm caught up on the spins, the gulps, the requests, and oh, now we got one more request, and it's OMG. The audio is super loud. What the heck? No one said anything. All in the poll because it's 69% said get the alcohol now. So, all right. So this was OMG. Yeah, I know this is crazy wick. I just want the candle high close. It made more sense. 88% retrace is perfect. You know, there was 400 votes. All right. So OMG just pretty much back tested this high from June 2019. Very critical area. That was the buying climax for Bitcoin, and bounced. And it could be. I mean, like this May 24th could have been the reaction low, and this could be the confirmation low, the lower low. But where it is, I mean, above a candle high close from November 25th, October 1st. Look at this, May 2018. If it can hold above where it is right now, OMG. This is why it's like, it's tough on Bitcoin, because it's not like, Bitcoin is not really, besides that 3-day, you know, and the hopium. Like if this can hold above 450, which is a big if, it's all on Bitcoin. But if it does hold, the upside is literally 42% on OMG, where it is right now, even after what it's done. Just because of, like, look at the price action correlation, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. So it holds this area, right? It goes straight up again to 640, and then my position has appreciated in value again, 42%. So that's where OMG is, okay, on the daily. NVIDIA all-time highs after hours. Cheers to that, dude. Let's go. Yeah, Amazon. Yeah, what do you do, man? It was, remember, 70% chance of a breakout, partial decline, and it looked like a fractal of NVIDIA, and lo and behold, it all played out. Someone says incorrect on NVIDIA. It's not ATH after hours. Okay, ATHAH. All right. So that's it, man. But dude, the 4-hour just starting to look trashier and trashier on Bitcoin, and Ethereum showing that 4-hour triple MACD bearish divergence. So it's like, whoa, I know. But these levels, like even if it dumps again, it's like they're just not. The downside's over. Like the downside is just not as good as what the upside could be at these levels. 88% retraces, man. Value perceived areas. Like, okay, go ahead and short after the asset had already lost from its high to its low. Asset already lost 80% of its value. Good, have fun playing the numbers game, trying to short at these levels now, right? It's tougher. It's definitely tougher. Okay, so we didn't really look at the S&P 500s. That did close at its all-time high. Highest candle close ever. Highest prices ever today. 43.58. It just keeps going, man. And what has it done in the past few days? Achieved a 1.618 pip extension from that previous high to low. And I mean, above that is really like the supply line that goes all the way up to like maybe 44.65 and change. So, but these are areas where this is exactly where you could reverse to come back, test 4,200 just to see if it's support or not. It's like a bullish canary as well. That's 113%. X, A, B, C, D. What? Yeah, Newegg, man, absolutely insane. So that's the S&P. Let's go to Newegg real quick. What a joke, man. Yeah, you see this? It's not even all-time highs. How insane is that, right? 148.42% up on the day, down 8% after hours. You can see where this blue line is, and there's a lot further it could go down. I don't know. It's trying to hold on to this little level right here from September of 2010. 3 different times. That's what it's at, I guess. So you don't hold that, see it 31.64 again, and then if it holds that, then you could maybe go up to $100. So yeah, just kind of whack stuff, rounded out by the looks of it. And then once it broke this crazy $11 area, it just went straight up, but then just blasted through the area of inflection where you thought it could reverse, as it's done many times in the past. Said, nope, just kidding, I'm gonna run up to the next resistance. It did. So what an insane run. I think Wall Street Bets had something to do with this. This got Wall Street Bets written all over it, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Nvidia after hours. Let's check it out, man. What's it? 835. Yeah, dude, it's like gapped up. Yeah, look where it closed at its pretty much its lowest point today. This is a big red candle, and it's just like right now sitting at 835. It's pretty incredible. It's the canary, the bullish canary pattern. Dude, I mean, that 113% retrace is happening now. Not just in, remember, it all started as a April Fool's joke. I got Scott Carney involved on it, right? We made an NFT of it. And now look at it. 113% retraces on B, and then higher lows, and then moonage after that. I don't know why. I mean, I'm seeing post-market, Nvidia 835. Dude, if you want to put it to bed, we can just go to Thinkorswim. I'll set you free. It's probably nothing. Not even a big deal, dude. Yeah, Nvidia's at 814.70 after hours. I believe Thinkorswim over anything. Okay, so we're gonna go with this is weird, maybe a bug on TradingView. Whatever. And here it is, man. I mean, like, remember range-bound asset for a year, and then a partial decline occurs, and then you broke out, and you almost hit that 1272 pip extension today, but the 100% measured move eventually gonna be around $40 to $100, where it's.
Is that a joint?
Oh, spin. All right, dude. That will be done. Someone's car alarm's going off. Sorry. Dude, y'all never gonna hit chug. Has a chug even happened? I think maybe one chug has happened here. What was that again? Oh crap. I think it was gold. Amazon getting the Pelosi pump? Oh, contrary, dude. We don't even care about that hag, all right? No, dude, it was Bulkowski research that got us to the conclusion where we thought there was a high probability of upside breakout. Okay? Don't you even bring her up in this chat about Amazon, dude. They saved the world during COVID, pretty much. It was the first day of the new CEO's job, and that day was the breakout. It's like almost crazy. And then yeah. Apple member accumulation. You did officially. Yes, it is official. Let us play the Jesus chimes. Apple has had its highest daily candle close of all time in the history of all human beings and what we were before we were human beings. the highest level ever. On the close. On the candle close. And that's what matters more than anything. Stupid wick. We did it, man.
Let's get another spin.
I mean, we can, but I mean, unfortunately. Oh, it was. I shouldn't even have drank there. You should have drank. Wow. Did you hear me, Dr. Colossus? You had to drink right there. So this one's for Anonymous. Get wrecked, dude. You drink too. Wow. I'm gonna be sober by the end of this whole thing. Easy. Unreal. So like, yeah, dude, like it's just beautiful. Gartley's been, I mean, he's getting violated right now. And you know what happens? You fail. What can happen eventually on failed Gartley's? Oh, it's 70%. So it's like way too strong. So we're talking like 1618s. We're talking like 164, 163. Yeah, 163. Eventually. It's beautiful, dude. Show you something else. Biogen came out with that awesome drug to prevent Alzheimer's or whatever. Stop it. Look at this old supply line. Oh yeah, the supply line that it was in forever. Look how it back tested it and held and bullishly engulfed today. You broke hook and goad. Hidden bullish divergence is a certainty on Biogen. You gotta wonder where it's gonna go. All right, hidden bullish divergence, very clear. Oh, sorry, this line is too white. There we go, sorry. This old supply line had plotted. You broke it, you hit the 1414, you hit the all-time high, and then you sold off, back tested it as a demand line, and now you've engulfed almost a bullish Marabazoo. And yeah, again, a gap fill. I think your first target, easy 372, but probably all the way back to 442 again, 430 to 440. Up there. That's probably where it's headed. BIIB. Curing Alzheimer's, or big treatment for Alzheimer's. That's a big deal, man. It did. Coinbase IPO marked the top. I wouldn't say of the cycle. I would just say of, it marked the top for now. And yeah, there could certainly be some more downside on Bitcoin. Yep, no one's denying that. I think it's really uncertain right now, and it sucks because the altcoins look so primed. They've hit their deep 90% retraces, most of them, and a lot of them anyway. Some haven't actually, and Bitcoin's still looking so uncertain. Looks like crap on the 4 hour. Just all these lower highs, all this trash price contraction in the middle of a range in midsummer or whatever. Gross. So Liffy. Oh, I just used Thinkorswim or Schwab Liffy.
You're the most inspirational weatherman out there. Felt weird not having my daily dose after following you for years. Silly question, but how do you go about buying stocks? What exchange? Can I also get a cheeky spin too?
A cheeky spin, we got it, man. There it was. Thank you, Mr. Kiwi. Schwab, Thinkorswim, spun, right? You saw the spin and it landed on gold. I think I'm doing it now. I hate it because it's Cabernet and it makes my my mouth like red, bad, stain me. But that's okay, dude. The red can represent the death of injustice that was bestowed upon me abruptly one day, less than or just hours after our country's history. What's up, Mr. Hendrickson? Ugh. This bottle's kicked. It's done, dude.
Mr. Hendrickson tipped $25.02. Cream with Stone on Uniswap. Thoughts on inverse head and shoulders on daily 0.0108130.
Why does it matter, dude? We're looking at the US dollar and it looks like that already. Why complicate it? But we'll look.
I heard you like stocks. But how about socks? Spin.
Not today, Junior. Not today. Thank you. And before banned. Just kidding. That's a Twitch thing. So here you go, Matthew D. Oh, and no, this one's from Mr. Hendrickson. Easiest wheel spin game of my life. Wow, dude. Lady Luck finally turning around. When am I opening the Tesla bottle? When an asteroid is destined for Earth and it's about to hit. That's about when I'll open that bottle and chug it. And then boom, goes the dynamite. And then it's like, this one's for Matthew D, the Matt D indicator. Get wrecked. It was so close. So yeah, BIIB, get ready for more fun stuff. By the looks of it, it looks ready for way more upside. BIIB, okay, it was a top performer today. It was the second highest gainer, up 3%. Okay, man, PayPal was another one that if you're a patron and you're paying attention to pings, let's go, dude, let's go. I mean, just continuing to go. It hit the 88% retrace today. It's already violated the Gartley, which it would be a perfect Gartley if it would have reversed the 786. It just keeps going, man. What's up, little Mitch? Monogram's just been going, dude.
Interesting stuff with MoneyGram MGI. Used to be darling stock here. Cup and handle, bull flag, bullish divergence on daily today. Interesting price action after news today. Very interesting.
Hey, that thumbnail, I think that's Biden's son, isn't it? Ugh. Thanks, dude. Here you go. I'm spinning for you, then we'll look at it. Correct. It's a gold though. Dang, dude, it's starting to hit me though. Ooh, already. What's up, Dr. Colossus, man? Oh my god, we got Leroy Jenkins.
Dr. Colossus tipped $100. Can you check out Dord? Trying to breaking out of consolidation range and looking prime.
Let's do it, man. Let's do it.
Just drunk as all supporters of the English national team today. Spin.
For England, mate. Hey, Ancestral Awakening. Most of my blood's English. Barely, but is majority that. So let's go, England. Since the US can't even be in this tournament or whatever, we would get wrecked anyway. That's okay. Stick to college football. So where am I at? I have to spin for Dr. Colossus, I think. Otherwise, dude, I might just be wrong. I might just be like doing double spins now. I have no accountability. It doesn't mean anything. All right, so this one's for Dr. Colossus. This one's for Horse to Horse. All right, we're good. Yeah, little Mitch is smoking stonks. And maybe socks. All right, let's see here. Let's go to that real quick. Let's go. Yeah, ooh, the wheel's rigged. Yeah, you hadn't been here when I've been devastated on it and had to wave the white flag multiple times. So I don't know about that, dude. Rigged only today because it's not going your way. Okay. Yeah, see, the thing about it, man, like, the time, if you wanted to enter, there was a beautiful inverse head and shoulders. It was a trade setup, a literal Patreon trade setup here. And then it ended up almost doing the same effing thing and doing what a lot of altcoins are doing right now, right? Like, it's just, you make the double bottom, the higher low, and then you go. And now you're at the resistance, man. It's just, if you break this, yeah, dude, tremendous upside, but it's a continuation. It's not a like value you're buying low. So it's really tough. And you made a rally, you made the high, you sold off, you attempted a rally, you made a lower high. So it's almost like you back tested what was once resistance in 2015 as resistance again right here, June 24th. So it's almost like inverse of spring back test to spring, right? Where you sprung, you back tested the spring here after a really nice markdown, and it's almost like X, A, B, C, D stuff. Shark, alternate bat behavior. This is not low risk for an entry. Okay, I'm just saying, even though it could just keep breaking to the upside, if you're talking about value, you'd be paying premium to own this asset, to take a chance on it breaking out, which it hasn't yet. Yeah, dude, I mean, right, that's it. Like, that's just really tough to be like, great time to long, Lil Mitch, man. I get it, though. It was awesome right here. Dude, it was legendary. I mean, you're talking about perfect. Literally perfect there on MGI. Even here, it was pretty interesting. A double bottom, and then higher lows, and then you eventually finally made it up. But here you are, right? Lower highs. Just kind of tougher for me to, it's the value trader in me. I love momentum, and it could very well pump to the upside. The upside's $13 if it can break this area. That's 30% upside, right? But my issue is it just had a spectacular run, and now it's doing kind of Wyckoff inverse bullish stuff, right? So it's, you know what I'm saying, man? Hey, it's Livy Lip, man. Livy Lip, it is $10 minimum for spins, US dollars, not Kiwi dollars. So you were like $3 short.
I'm on board.
296.
For reactivation.
Not to be, but like then, if I don't say that, then all of a sudden everyone starts tipping $7, and then all of a sudden they're only tipping $5, and then $3, and then I'm like, okay, well now I'm drunk on $1, right? I know, dude. I know it's a mess. It's a grave injustice to humanity. It's but like Lil Mitch, man, you get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying, dude? Holy crap. Let me talk about value, talking about Jesus. April of 2020. So good. Double bottoming. We were watching. We were here, dude. Like, monitoring this stuff down here. And now it's momentum's great. It's uptrending very, very well. And yeah, I think there's more upside. I think there's gaps to fill. I think $13. I think $15 could be achieved. You make deeper retraces. But it's just not a low risk area. Sorry. Momentum's pretty freaking good though. All right, let's see here. So it was ORN for Dr. Colossus. Dr. Colossus, holy crap! For England. All right. Let this be the one.
Spin one more time for England.
Let this be the one. For England. Dang it. It was just a regular social. Sorry, man. I tried, though. I visualized it.
My bad.
All right, Liffy. Here you go, dude. This one's for you. Spin again. Oh, redemption. We should just call Spin Connect. Spin again. Redemption. Sorry, dude. But, hey, you're chipping away at my sobriety, and that's the game, right? Can't say it's rigged when I'm actually playing the game, right? Most times I'm just playing the chug only, but I'm actually playing now, so you gotta call me a good sport in that regard, you know? Yeah, I'll be wrecked by the time the chug hits, if it ever does, which I don't think it will hit, but whatever, man. All right, what was the ORN, man? What's up, John? Good to see you, dude. Ooh, goodness gracious, not value at all. This is literally potential reversal area stuff. Let me check my notes here. ORN. I don't know about, are you sure? Let me make sure we're good. Dr. Colossus, are you talking about ORN, the stock Orion group holdings, or is there some S coin called ORN? I know there's OGN that's been looking pretty good in S coin, but you're not talking about ORN stonk, are you? Let me know. Let me know before I get deep into this analysis. Okay. I like gold. What? Oh, you're talking to counter day Schwab, my bad. You know I like gold. So I'm waiting for the doctor. Mr. Doctor! Oh, Orion Protocol. Gotcha. Yeah, I figured. It's like, eh. And it's kind of interesting where ORN is, but dude, it's like 200K volume. What a joke. Then I say that, then I'm like, I have no idea what ORN to the tether, is. Hey, I've been here before. I have memory of this place. Triple MACD effing bullish divergence on the daily. What? All right. Unbelievable, dude. Okay, some S coin that's lost 78% of its value from its previous low. So the downside is just not as strong. But dude, you go to the daily and it's like unreal, like stupid. It's a low, then it's a lower low, then it's a slightly lower low. And that is like signifying that the sellers just can't push the price as low anymore. And on that third pathetic low, look how beautiful the divergence is. Sure, go to zero because Bitcoin dumps to 24.5 because it's trash. And yeah, unfortunately, it's never back tested 423, which it will test 423 if Bitcoin dumps to 30K again, for sure. But dang, man, that's beautiful. That's really nice here. Okay, and if you want the Fibonacci, man, we can do it. It's like 88% retrace, not once but twice. Even if you go here, it's 786, right? It's pretty much still an 88% retrace. It's unreal. It's like just, a little bit deeper than 61.8%, maybe 65% retrace. It's like bullish Garley territory. It's like, kind of reminds me of XRP a little bit. It's just, it's wild, man. It's like, well, it's a little bit, it's screwed up because it's a little too deep on B and a little too deep on D. So it's like XABCD, but you could just take that away and still understand why it is kind of in a really good spot for upside. And I guess the stop loss will be below 423 here. It'd have to be, right? Because that is such a solid support resistance. You don't want crap to do with it below that. And then the upside, I mean, we're talking, you'd have to settle for like $17. So you get it. This is one where it's just like you're another altcoin, another one, man. It hasn't, the problem is though, it hasn't made a higher high. The most discernible major event that has occurred is it's made its lowest low since friggin' January. RSI is diverging as well, yeah. Not in oversold territory, but it did, I think, it did here. It was, it never even got oversold. But yeah, there's bullish divergence in the RSI as well, yep. And you bullishly engulfed yesterday, which is nice, trend line here, I know we certainly broke it. It has been broken, but look at, dude, unbelievable. Like, look at the supply line broken and what has recently happened, even on a lower low. What was once a supply line has now somehow become a demand line. Gosh, that effing color, change it. What was once a supply line has now become a demand line. And triple bullish divergence, dude. 88% retrace stuff, man. Like, that's pretty low risk. Like, it dumps more. I mean, you just talk about like previous swing highs and stuff, and it's like targeting, like, okay, stop loss below the area where it's, who cares about it, below that area, you're just talking about this could take a while. I mean, this could take like, weeks to play out. I'm just, because we're looking at the daily here, this is how like one could size it up. ORN, US dollar tether. Okay, that's it, man. All right. All right. Should I or should I not? Chaton Pension, 1986, man. I don't know. I technically don't have to do anything because I have no debt, no debt, and I don't know, we're 1 hour and 21 minutes into this live stream. If you're enjoying it, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Do it not for me, but do it for ORN. Do it for Dr. Colossus. Do it for Ross. Do it for the real ones, man. Thanks for the almost 700 people watching. We're marginally higher than we are on Twitch
power
viewers.
to turn spins into chugs? Spin.
We'll find out right now. It's 7:30 Eastern time. Tune in. No, unfortunately he doesn't. But that means I do have to open the bottle of wine. So you did do that. The Penthouse Jesus, man. Chat, y'all hear him? He did it. He has supplanted Ross. Ross might not be watching though. Ross might just be like, Ross might be shook, dude. You just never know.
Spin man.
Dude, no way. This, I've never seen this before in my life. Are you kidding me? Look what it's done to
Spin buddy.
the top. Weird. It's like the top's like rotted or something. Oh, I think I know why, because I'm stupid or something. Yeah, I'm stupid. Never mind. My bad. I screwed up. I shrewded it. Alright, that's 2 spins. Alright, we're good. I definitely shrewded this so bad. Through the jar, it's 1272 maybe. Maybe like barely. It might not even be. Yeah, I'm so wrecked now I can't even remember how to use a standard wine opener. I've ruined the cork. This cork has been devastated. Okay. Alright, what are the chances that either one of these spins translate into a chug? They're low chances. No, you wrecked 92.5. You get wrecked, dude. In a positive way, of course, but still. Oh yeah, cream. So W wrapped ether. My bad, dude. Yeah. Right now. You wanted it. You got it. Sorry. Hold on. And again, like, don't ever like be, oh my God, I can't believe Mitch. He's drinking. He might have missed something. Just be patient with me, and PM me if something happens, and I'll be like, crap, man, I forgot about that. Someone, just PM me in Discord if you missed a request or something. If I missed one, the internet going out or something like that, and I'll be sure to do my thing. Your thing, our thing. The requester-requestee relationship. Statistically, Chug has to hit soon. See, that's what people call the gambler's fallacy. Decrypt, right? Where, hey, yeah, it has to hit, because I think there's probably like a 5% chance of the Chug hitting. It has to hit now, but every single time it's a new set of it's the same new set of variables, right? So who would agree or disagree with me on that? Is that crazy? Yeah, I still live in the United States of America. I don't know if I'll ever live outside of the U.S. I could never live without my high-capacity magazine rifles. Okay, I'm sorry. Whoops, and before banned again. For just, Okay. We're gonna spin now. Here we go. Here's one.
Spin. Get wrecked in a positive way. Clinking beer mugs.
Here's 2. Thank you, Scour. Nope. Here's 3. Alright, social chug, gulp. Sorry, yep. Creeb to wrapped ether. This one's interesting. OR, it's very interesting. Okay. I would like a higher low, but whatever. Yeah, dude, it's unreal. It's like so good. I mean, yeah, Cream is like, Cream's the new Hex. Cream's the new Nvidia or something. Cream's the new Water. Cream's the new GameStop from last summer. This is it, dude. I don't know about this non-inverse head and shoulders. No, It has not created the right shoulder. It would need to go down to whatever that number is, the 5-2 number. Okay. No, but I would think that it's creating maybe some sort of neckline.
Third time's the
If it
charm.
breaks that neckline, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Where, you know, minimum targets, whatever these numbers are, 13 and 15. And then above that is even more heaven. All right, Livy. I don't think so, dude, but you can give it a shot, man. Sorry. Again, to me, like creamed wrapped Ether looks great. It looks awesome. But remember, you're tying it to Ethereum, which has been outperforming Bitcoin for months now. And again, you're tying cream to a harder asset than the US dollar. I just don't understand why people would be like, I'm gonna get cute with this and I'm gonna make the denominator a hard asset like Ethereum. You could. Why do that when you could be like, I'm gonna tie cream, I'm gonna pair cream to literal toilet paper. That's US dollar. It's toilet paper. It can't appreciate in value. Ethereum will appreciate in value over years, over time. The US dollar, it's a certainty. It is a literal certainty based on history that it will not appreciate in value. You get that, right? Ethereum, based on history, only appreciates in value. Bitcoin only appreciates in value. So why would you pair the asset you want to trade to something that only historically goes up and outperforms? Oh, okay, you wouldn't. Yeah. I would make the denominator trash, the US dollar. Perfect. That's it, dude. And that's tough love, and that's like me don't think I'm getting on to you or anything. I'm just saying, man, like, it's good to, you know, use your passion to articulate messages to, hey, maybe 3 people watching got something out of that and be like, oh, that resonated with me, but I get it, right? So anyway. Yeah, toilet paper is better than the dollar because you can flush it without clogging your drain. Yeah, because toilet paper is meant to deteriorate with water. You're right. Correct. But on the other hand, the US dollar, you can actually buy coffee or whatever you want with it. Right?
$22.22.
Hey!
Awesome to you back, Mitch.
For being, of course.
My good man.
92.5. Thanks, dude. Thanks, man. Dang it, Ed. You can spend Ethereum on things. Spin again. Oh, God.
Spin that wheel.
All right, Dr. Colossus, man. All right, here's your gold. And here's Dr. Colossus. Another goldfish, whatever. We're not playing like, not everyone's drinking here. I'm just playing the game. So gold equals social. Social equals gold. Social equals gold. Sobriety, bearish divergence. All right, how funny is it that on 7/7, the luckiest day that you could ever have, my channel got reinstated.
Learned so much here that helps me improve my life.
Good,
Thanks.
Troy, good.
Spin.
Because trading in the zone is living in the zone, okay? Living in the zone. Dating in the zone. Working in the zone. All of it's the same. No expectations on anything. And dude, you will have balance. Gulp. No, William, that's probably something I need to get into. I need to get something. I need to get a Rolex of some sort. You know, probably because it's like I've diversified into very, very nice weapons that will keep appreciating in value, like guns. Really nice artwork, right? Real estate, metals, equities. Just need to continue diversifying my capital and getting a Rolex or getting some sort of timepiece would be a nice way to continue to diversify. You're right. Physical fitness in the zone. Yep, that's right. No expectations on when you fall asleep though. Wait, that's not how it works. Mr. Lodik's birthday is today. Oh, hey, congratulations, Mr. Lodik, dude. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday to Mr. Lodik in the chat. Nice, dude. Thanks for surviving another year. What's up, Van Life? The Crown Collection does amazing pieces. BNS Squad, okay. We'll do, yeah, imagine me remembering any of this. Because who knows how deep we're gonna get this evening, okay? Because, I mean, I've already opened another bottle. And, again, at the same time, maybe it ends now. Maybe, like, I'm done gulping and literally no one gets a chug. That's sad, dude. Bitcoin's puking. Yeah, Bitcoin's just being 4-hour trash. Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's welcome to the summer, where when you make a low, you make a high, then you make a higher low, but then a lower high, but then a higher low, but then a lower high. Go ahead, and that's puke right there. That's vomit. That's awful. For a trader or wanting to know what's coming next, this price action is the worst. It's terrible. But in the end, man, it's like, what kind of is? It's almost perfect. There's like equal amount of distribution with accumulation. Capitalizes up. Chug-a-lug connect. He said spinning and oh man, really? Is that what you meant, capitalize, dude? I could have never guessed, man. Thank you. It's got to do something soon. Yeah, it will, because it's deep within the parameters of what is now considered a sim triangle, right? That's like, so you're deep, like you're like 70% deep into it. So probability is increasing. The move's happening, and I would say there's probably maybe a little bit more distribution, right? A little bit more distribution than there is accumulation. So this is not really looking good, and you're 18 minutes from a very real bearish engulfing candle. Dude, just get wrecked, Bitcoin. Just go ahead and go to zero. We're done with it. I'm tired of it, man. I'm tired of waiting for Bitcoin to go to zero. Why does it take so long, you know? Pathetic. Or 100K. Zero or 100K, whatever. Either one. Great, dude. Nice 4-hour Gartley destroyed. I see no 4-hour Gartley at all. Now maybe if you have X here, then it would be in development and go down to 31K. Do we do this? We check it out? We good? I got all the spins out of the way, all the inverse chugs because there have been 0. All the requests, yeah. That's it, man. I'm sorry that like it just ended this way, but you want to talk about what is indecision on a market when price contracts and you're literally staring at it, but unfortunately the price contraction looks a little bit steeper to the bear side. Gross, man. Gross. Gross. Interesting. Interesting. What happened, Brad? What happened, man? Yeah, I don't know what that means. Kind of weird. But at the same time, yeah, it's like, I hate that, man. Because it's like, those best trolls are the ones that are like that, you know? So it makes it like someone innocent could have been hidden, but dang, man, I hate it. Excuse me, Alexi. You mean not chug, right? Spin, but not chug, sure. Spin again, though. I hate that. No way I'm doing it like that where it lands on coin flip. No way. Dice roll might be smart though. It might be cool. It'd be funny. Then I have to get a new webcam. And then I have no problem with new webcams, but now I'm learning that it's like, if you have a new webcam, your other webcam freezes all the time. B-dubs are good. Alright, here it is. Here's your Will Spin and your Leroy Jenkins, man.
Spin the wheel, my friend. Cheers, fam.
He got me. B-Dub's first tip of the evening got me. No, I see it. I see it. I see what you said. Oh, okay. Oh, God. Brad, yeah. I don't even know how you could have... I can't imagine how that first comment was just timeout and not just straight gone, dude. So you did it, man. And what just happened? Chug? Yeah, Brad. On that first one, anytime someone says that, they're gone, dude. Like, that's... You know that. I'm just like... The thing, you know, and that's what freaked me out. That's what weirded me out. It's like, yeah, the other things... Yeah, dude, that guy's... I can't even believe he's still watching. You know, someone like that would be hate watching me, so they would be like depressed that I'm getting paid to drink alcohol on what's the day? Is it Tuesday? It might be Wednesday. It's Wednesday today. See, I don't even have to know exactly what day it is. They have to know probably. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding, but yeah, I would chug, but I also owe a wheel spin. So here we go. Correct. All right. So I'm gonna fill this up to normal chug levels, 5 ounces, 7.5, whatever it is. Oh, yeah. Guess what? Not one of those haters that came in. Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Dude, we have a new penthouse Jesus and it's B-Dubs, dude. Wow.
B-Dubs tipped $350.
Jesus. He says get wrecked. Hopefully he means in a positive way. I don't know, man. Maybe he means that. Dude, since I've destroyed this cork, well, I'm gonna use the old cork from the other bottle. That's what I'm doing. Hold on. I think someone more sober than me opened this bottle. Yeah, I think so. Alright. Dude, I gotta change that real quick before we do anything, okay? Wow, penthouse, all-time high, Jesus. Zophorus, man, I'm so sorry, dude. I hate to be that guy, but I think B-Dub says he'd love to be that guy. Sarcastic RS guy, you know? And then, you know what's funny? Zophorus said, does anyone want to play the game? And then B-Dub's like, huh? What game? There it is. Thank you, B-Dubs, man. Penthouse, Jesus, man. And 400 on the day. Wow. So also becoming the session top Jesus of the day. Absorption on the daily RSI. Someone tweeted a clip of me saying RSI. And they thought it was funny. And I'm like, I don't even notice myself saying it. I just say it, dude. It's not about being funny. It's just literally easier to talk about, I guess. So. You know what I'm saying, man? You know what I'm saying? Bam, let's go! Yes, sir. Alright, we'll do it, dude. What? Look, man. I'm talking about people that are watching stream.
Spin brother.
Like, I know there are gonna be people that are depressed that are watching the stream. They're not depressed because they hate me, though, right? No, never mind. It was, you know what, if you missed it, don't worry about it. There are people that a few people that actually hate watch me, and they got problems, dude, like major ones, like they're poor, and I don't know what it is, like, they just love watching me get richer and richer, I guess. I don't know what it is that they keep watching. But if I hated me, and I was watching me, I'd be depressed because of how much support and love I get from you. So that's what I was talking about, all right? Alright, so gulp. But dude, I can't gulp yet. Shoot, I gotta chug this. This is gonna be B-Dubs. This is gonna be awful, dude, okay? See me? See my eyeballs looking at you? The big one's about to bear soon gulp in the 4 hour. And it's making consecutive lower highs like a scrub. Oh, sorry. Microphone's off. Microphone's over. Is it better now, right? Yeah, but mic audio is different because I think when B-Dubs tipped 350, I freaked out for a second. Breaker, come in here. I'm gonna be so drunk, dude. I'm gonna be so drunk after this. Oh my god. I need Ninja Girl to tell me if this is even adequate. This might be too much. Oh god. Oh god, dude. I know, Litecoin Hammer. I'm gonna get them up, dude. But I'm telling you, right? I don't want to do this stuff before my furniture gets here, before my closet's even done. You know, they hung up a bunch of stuff. Again, I was saying earlier, it's a methodical process getting everything here, right? You want to do it the right way. Yeah, I'm gonna be smashed. I'm becoming smashed every second that goes by, every moment that my stomach acids metabolize this alcohol, the alcohol-ese that has entered my system. Okay, have some food. Oh, will do. I'll have some food, mate. Yeah, pictures won't change the reverb anyway, so chill out, man. Many things will collectively change the reverb. What I chug, just red wine. Or something like that. Okay. Anyway, I guess that's it, dude. That's it for the wheel. I survived. No white flags. But the audio's back, right? We're good. Oh god, triple MACD. Dude, this is so, that's exactly what you don't want to see on the 4 hour. It's like that. One eye, second eye, then a slightly pathetically higher high, almost the same high, and then even lower. That's like, if TA is respected on Ethereum, we go down next. We go down next, not up. That's it. Unfortunately. More wine. But they consider in the old country, wine is food or something, right? Well, I don't know, because I used to take advantage of myself accidentally by being stupid, by not knowing how much wine I was pouring in a glass, and then Ninja Girl comes up, and then it's like, she's like, what are you doing? I'm like, I don't know, I'm just drinking wine. She's like, that's too much wine. And then we measured it, and it's like, yep, that was too much wine. So now I'm always thinking you know, when I drink wine, okay, gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Anyway, so I've been live now 1 hour 44 minutes. You enjoying the live stream, the like button, the bell itself. Thanks so much for being here, everyone.
Brad.
Dude, Brad, it almost always does the wrong thumbnail. It's not you, it's YouTube. Literally, just throw it in the bucket of weird things, right?
Late to the stream. Starting to get things ready to move also. Glad to see all is right in the world again. Kangs.
Remember that time Green Third Eye tipped me yesterday? 16, 18 bits. I remembered it. Thank you, man.
Definitely takes time. Digging your new spot. Cheers.
Oh, I love it, man. I love it, but there's just so much potential for more insanity. It's so much. It's just it's great. It's just like a. I can't explain it, man. It's too good. All right, this one's for Green Third Eye. Okay, now I need to pour. Wait, where do I pour? Oh, this over here. What's up, Fab man? Fob man. You got Ninja Girl as a community wine expert. The aficionado, I think you would say, Brad. Of course. You must say that with your pinky finger up, not down. Thanks so much. Have I ever considered Restream? I used to do that, capital A's. Picked up Rimlog doing it, so I mean, it's probably a good idea, but everything's laggy, everything's slower going when you do that. Everything's like all the chat's lagged out, so, and that requires multiple moderation. It just is, it overcomplicates things, I know. So here's the goal. Here's to Ethereum showing impending price action reversal to the downside, locally, unfortunately. Dang, dude.
B-dubs tip $25. Spin. When I sober up, I'm going annual. Announcement of an announcement. Poolside.
B-dubs, man. One-upping Justin Sun, or taking a little bit of advice from Justin Sun, who does the announcement of announcements. Thank you so much, B-dubs, dude. That's a wheel spin. I think this one's for Schwab though, and then the next one's for you. Dang, I can't believe I remember that. So, all right, sorry, Schwab. It was Nothing Burger. That one's, we got to figure that one out. All right, this one's gold. All right. It's a gold, man. And he's going annual, he said. He's going annual when he sobers up. Famous last words. Who the heck ever says, when I'm sober, I'm going to do this thing next, and they're drunk at the time? No one ever says that, right? Ever. Or if they say it, they're saying it, but they're not going to do it. And that's okay, dude. But dang. Sing the Bama Fight song? Dude, that would be, that sounds like pledge ship all over again. You know what's funny? I was one of 34 pledges in my class that got initiated, and I was the only one that knew the Alabama Fight song from beginning to finish. Sad, dude. I mean, that's like Trump saying sad. That's how sad it was, dude. It was bad. And I learned this during Hell Week. We were all sitting in the room in our boxers, and I got hosed down. They sprayed me with a hose while I sang the fight song, and this was to punish the rest of my pledge class. B-dubs, let's go! Camus? Camus? What is bottle of Camus? Sorry, get wrecked Bitcoin and Ethereum and altcoins and everything else. Get wrecked all crypto right now, unfortunately, because Bitcoin's in the dead middle of a range and it's kind of trash. It's like literally flip your effing coin. Let's see here. Let's see. Let me check my notes. What am I supposed to do here? I don't know what bottle of Camus means. B-dubs, dude. I don't know. Dr. Colossus, oh my god! Oh, I don't know, man. Like, I mean, I've been having my own issues over
Hey
here.
Mitch, when are you and Crown gonna sort out a live stream together? Would be epic. Spin.
I'll spin. Dude, I mean, it's up to him. It's literally up to him. Like, I'm again showing literal verbal evidence. Well, I guess it would be recorded evidence that if he wants to have me on his stream, like, I'd be happy and willing to do it. He just need but ask, right? I'm not gonna, like, you know, I mean, because, like, you know, I mean, we can figure something out. I don't know, dude. It's up to him, man, because he's like got more subs than me. He's more established than me. I think, you know, he's got a really good reputation, and if he wants to have me on his show as a guest, I would be honored, you know. But that's on him. That's his choice, and he would have to ask me if I wanted to do it, and I'd be proud to do it, of course, man. My God, he's like to me, like, you know, I'm Pepsi, he's Coca-Cola, or vice versa, dude. You know, it's like of like the space of crypto and technical analysis and all that, you know. So, whatever. I don't even know where I'm at. What the Chimichanga? Who's Chimichanga? Thanks for the 20, dude. Thanks, man. Okay, sorry. Wow. All right, social dude. All right, sweet. Yeah, it'd be fun. It'd be fun to come back and be on this show, because, like, dude, you could ask me about how it feels to have your entire YouTube channel deleted, like, overnight on Independence Day. Because seldom do people feel that way in life, right? That feeling that you feel when, wow, I just spent 3+ years building this channel and it's literally gone overnight. That's a bad feeling, dude. It doesn't feel good. Jeez. Okay, so Adrian Incorporated. What a terrible name. Hold on. Let's, all right, am I caught up on? No, I got one more, and that was for Dr. Claus's. This one's for Chimichanga. When's Scott Connor gonna be on my channel or my stream again? Soonish. I mean, like very soon. I was thinking about getting him on today, but I was like, I mean, like who knows? I'm drinking or something. I'll get Scott on. I'm gonna try to get Scott on if he would want to come on soon, because I'd like to talk to him about this whole Bitcoin 3-day hopium. You know, like what he thinks about the hopium. You know, which isn't. It's there, man. It's just. This is some serious hopium. It's like hidden bullish divergence. You hadn't seen positive momentum on 3 days since March 17th. Dude, that is many, many days, man, right? Hadn't seen positive momentum in 111 days. We looked at it earlier, so sorry, dude. That's right, encrypted in crypto. That's right, it would be. Dude, oh my god. Let's go B-dubs, man!
B-dubs tipped $150 to
Wow.
Morgan Freeman and Schwab, Camus, Silver Oaks, and Narfuente, 3 great cabs, solid wines.
Navuente. Camus is a wine. Morgan Freeman. Yes, and Schwab, man. Camus, Silver Oaks, and Fuente. 3 great Cabernets, solid wines. Yeah, dude. Well, get the B-dubs doing things. I agree. Holy crap. That's many doing things. I can't even believe it. That's $675 on the day. My man, can we please get some effing for B-dubs, man? But dude, it's like Dr. Colossus too, man. And freaking Ross, of course, dude, was the initial major Penthouse Jesus, man. What a day. 7-7 was the day. I was saying, you know, I prayed for Bitcoin. Let 7-7 be the day for Bitcoin, but it ended up being the day for me, right? Where my channel was reinstated for falsely being destroyed for no reason. Are you kidding me? Only trying to help people. God forbid. Even if you hate, like, dude, that's what I was trying to say with my internet when I yesterday. It's like, you can hate me all you want, but you can't say I'm not trying to help people. Like, because I'm not, like, literally asking for money from anyone. I'm just literally going live, just wanting to hang out with people that care about technical analysis like I do. Like, it's not like scammy. That's just nothing, dude. That's just me trying to find commonality with people I can't find where I live, man. That's it. And you can choose to watch or not watch, but it's at the end of the day, like, imagine trying, like, oh yeah, dude, that guy deserves to have his channel deleted when you know exactly what exists on YouTube right now, and on Twitch for that matter. Good God, right? I love charts. I love technical analysis, and I knew there were people out there that liked it too, and that's how it all started, man. And like Discord communities, me just finding out, like, good God, there's so many people that are gonna be susceptible to scams. It's like, maybe this is the way, the path one should take if they're beginning their journey learning about financial markets, because they've only been in one ever, and it's crypto, and it's non-traditional, and it's psycho, okay, and full of scammers. Maybe one starts here and goes this way versus that way. Holy crap, which so many others were going. Oh, Joker Smoker, thank you so much. The Snoop Dogg wine.
Is that a joint?
14% and actually really tasty. Oh man, wasn't most wine like 12 to 15% alcohol, man? Okay. Good dude. Thank you, man. Maybe on stream Theta, get some troll away from YouTube overlords. Oh, maybe stream on Theta. I thought you meant like maybe look at the Theta chart. That looks exceptional. You know what I'm saying, man? Hey, look, I'm Bitcoin. I suck, dude. I'm missing this price contraction trash mode. Yep, you are. You're really trash right now, dude. This is the market being like, I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I'm in the dead middle of a trading range, $10,000 trading range, and I'm contracting in price. Trash, dude. Yeah, thank you, man. Kind words. It's hilarious, dude. Like, there've been like one troll today, like one accidentally, I think. And that whole dude, it's like they can't handle it. They're fueled off hate and sadness, and this stream's just been like pure positivity and happiness. And so like they know their lives are already depressed, right? And so if they came into a stream that's happy for me and they hate watch me, then they might be on the verge of some bad decisions, right? You know what I'm saying? So it's like, that's why you don't see them. That's why they don't show up when good things happen, because that'd be real bad for them, because they're effed. Wait, what do I do with my hands? That's Talladega Nights, Brad. What do I do with my hands? I made that joke. Well, we made that joke when I had my picture with Saban way back. When I had my hands up like this, it was weird because I didn't know what to do with my hands. And I was like, oh my God, Coach Saban's touching me right now. What do I do? Anyway, Brad didn't know what to do with his hands either, I guess. It's okay, I'm just kidding. What's up, Piles of Crypto? It's definitely been, dude, yeah, y'all made this homecoming very nice. I'm so grateful, dude. I mean, all y'all, like, everyone. It's not like one person. You know, B-Dubs and Colossus and Ross have made it super, super, extremely, unbelievably, and Zophorus too. I mean, you've made it stupidly amazing, like, unimaginably amazing, but just everyone collectively. Just typing in the chat, being positive, and just hanging out, and just being like, hey man, welcome back. You know, all those things are just great, dude. Oh, this dear remote work, dude. Yeah, I feel like this house is haunted, man. Is that the one I should buy? Which one being a squad? Which one? But where's the crimson one, dude? Oh, you just moved the pen. I'm sorry, dude. I don't even know what's going on. Brad, they can't even read it because they're not here right now. They can't help it, dude. They're like in their Discord doing weird stuff. Idolizing Wall Street bets. That's what they're doing, dude. Being poor and idolizing Wall Street bets at the same time. $92.5, man, but it's been like, the transition has been extremely rocky, bumpy, like, wow. So, dear diary, what the happened? That's what I was saying, man, yesterday. Like, what the... Oh, man. Everything's okay. I mean, like, you know, even, like, you haven't broken the price contraction, have you? No, not yet. One person hit chug. Maybe I should order some food before, like, it gets too late and everything closes or something, right? Probably be a good idea, you know what I'm saying, man? What time? It's like 7 o'clock, dang, man. It's not too late. Might be a good idea to just, yeah, dude, I don't know what's going on, but I'm falling in love with hot chicken. Really hot chicken. That's like, makes me cry. And I can't even put my contacts in. Because it's so spicy, you know? We got a problem, dude. Sorry, I'm just handling this real quick, and then we'll continue on with our life's journey. All right. What's this guy talking about, man? Well, I don't know. I mean, like, again, I've been live 2 hours and 1 minute now, so it's definitely your, You're looking on the edge of a guy bad. Yeah, sorry Bitcoin sucks right now, dude. Sorry it's crappy, middle of... Dude, that is like... Alright, what Bitcoin's doing is literally the epitome of indecision. When you're in the dead middle of a trading range, and you're contracting in price at the same time, it's like indecision inception, dude. Do you understand? It can't get more undecided than this on Bitcoin. It can't. It can't, man. Ask anyone who trades. This area is like, holy crap, let me go to something else. Let me go to Amazon, or let me go trade something else. This is psycho. Gold, pretty awesome, man. Gold and silver at pretty insane levels that are strategic for longs right now. Yeah. Not even joking, dude. Hey, it's Jeffrey Yun. Jeffrey Yun. Hey, do you know what happened, dude? You know I got my channel deleted and it's already back, dude. Have an IRL Nashville meetup? Dude, I would do a Nashville meetup maybe. I don't know how many people would show up, you know, because it's... Nashville is a... If you haven't been to Nashville and you're a Westerner, you know, you need to try out Nashville. It's insane. It's like blowing up. So, anyway, I'm going on a rant about indecision on Bitcoin. It's beyond... It's indecisionception. Gatlinburg's good, only if you're not single, dude. Imagine going to Gatlinburg single, joker smoker. What a joke. Wow. Hold on. Add fried tenders. Dude, we gotta add frickin' tenders, dude. I don't even know how many chicken tenders I just ordered. Holy crap. You know what I'm talking about? Euler. Well, so many tenders I'm ordering. I think that's like, that's not good enough. Not for a growing boy. Three, no way. 6 is not enough. No way, because like, you know, I just need to get another, hold on, dude, I'm sorry. What the? I'm just going to add like three more tenders. Okay, let's check this out. Yeah. All right. You hear this? We got super hot fried chicken tendies, but then we're adding 6 more chicken tendies and then extra ranch. All right. We're good, dude. Okay. I just had no Texas toast, dude. What do you... Carbs. There are enough carbs. There's Texas toast literally on chicken tendies, man. Like fried chicken tendies, pretty much. That is Texas toast. Imagine eating toast actually like leisurely. Like, wow, just toast. No micro nutrients. It's just bread. It's just glue. What are you doing, man? If you can find toast to be tasty, you can get anything to be tasty, man. Like, that is protein laden and good for you. It's double down, oh my god! Double down, thanks for the 6180. That is golden mean ratio.
Glad you're back, buddy. Tendies for tenders.
That's right, tendies for tenders. Here's your tender right here. Or here's your tendies right here. Spin again. All right, here it comes, dude. Please don't land on chug. I'm at this point where if I land on chug, I might die. Okay. Oh, that's a split. This what is it, chat? What is it? What did it land on? For real. Like I'm serious. Like what did that land on? Can you even tell? Whoever has a big screen TV, let me know what this is. Social. Gulp. 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 It's a bunch of gulps, everyone. Chug. No, it's not chug, dude. It's literally not chug. Wow. Imagine saying chug. You're like that little old lady on My Cousin Vinny. Oh my god, it's B-dubs! Oh my god.
B-dubs tipped $66.66. There's only 3 coins to send you. What happened? BTC/GTH/LTC. I'm a Beijing Luna guy trying to get that annual spin.
Dude, bro, you just sent me the hex. Look at the hex sitting on the top of the jar right now. It's beautiful. It's one of the most impressive emoji balls, right? Look at it. I mean, it's more like...
Look here! Look, listen!
It's beautiful. No one uses 666 or 6666. That's the tip variation for the hex emoji, you know? And it's wasted almost because it's so pretty. But there's only 3 coins to send. What happened? I don't know about that, dude. I mean, you just sent me US dollar. You could send me... Can somebody please refute what B-dubs just said about what he can send? He can send me like almost many altcoins, right? 10 pence says it's pretty. Dan says it's the best. Whoa, whoa, no. Nothing's better than the $1,000 tip, the minimum $9.99 tip. That has only been triggered twice by the 2 behemoths of this community, Vet Moonboy and Gavin Crown. So, or maybe it's over 500. I can't remember. I think it's over 500.
After the China deity story.
Dude, Eggman, is that a joint? It's a great question, and I was talking to my general contractor about it today, and like they're still at value areas. Most of these assets, like Momo, but IQ, like I mean, it hits like levels that are so low, way out of the range. It's scary. It's like it's tough to be positive or bullish on anything Chinese right now because, dude, U.S. investors are punishing the assets. They don't want. They would rather just, I'm gonna keep. What was there? Almost $1 billion got pulled out of Chinese equities a couple days ago. Almost $1 billion, dude. And it's literally because of that. What they did, what the Chinese Communist Party did. If they didn't do that, that money doesn't go anywhere, right? That money doesn't leave Chinese equities. So that's unfortunately how catalyzed a certain sector can be. Yeah. So it's like if you want exposure to China, it might be better to just get exposure to the EEM, right? Because then at least you're not like extremely only exposed to China, getting wrecked. You at least got the rest of the world, involved with it. So what? Hold on, I am. Dr. Colossus, dude, just says, keep spinning, man. Dude, thank you so much, bro. I'm sorry. I was on a roll. We were talking about China, man. We were talking about Chinese equities that, unfortunately, like with America, if you're going to make legislative changes, there is a process, and it can be obnoxious and can take years to play out, right? But we're talking about China? Nah, dude. China's like, I think I will ban this today, and then it is done today. That is authoritarianism, and free markets don't really like that. What the? Are we gonna double Leroy's, man? We're doing it again. Because I missed the other one. Jeez. Pounds of crypto is hard to use that.
And yes, the drop down is just BTC, ETH, LTC.
Alright, 2 spins. Alright, so 3 spins. I have 3 spins. Beat ups. 2 and then 1 more. Alright, here we go. But that's my thought on China. It sucks, man. It's like everything. Look, they're at value areas technically. Oh, you're gonna be disappointed in this beat ups. You're gonna be real disappointed. Can I get someone impartial to just answer the question here? Let me just make sure you're impartial. Answer the question. What is it? What is it? That's right, 10 pence. See, Purge is literally not impartial. Matthew D says he is partial. It's Chug. That's not how it works. Morgan says, unfortunately, Spinner. Get wrecked. Okay, get wrecked. Yeah, it is Spinner. I just wanted y'all to see. I'm not chugging to that. I will not chug. That would be I'll be bad, dude, if I chug to that. All right, that is too close. That means, Grandma, get your glasses out. But so, unfortunately, that's why I love chug where it is. It's either chug or the person who almost got the chug has to drink their alcoholic beverage. So, get wrecked. That was definitely for B-dubs. This one's for Dr. Colossus, though. Another god. Okay, just a gold. Jared says I'm getting melty. I don't know what that means, but yeah. Getting melty over here, for sure. This one's for B-dubs. There's another gob. What is it? Is that how it is in Wheel of Fortune or whatever when the best prizes are next to the bankruptcy or silver? There it is, man, 10 pence. Evidently I did this and didn't even think about it. These things just happen over time organically. I don't even think anyone thinks of them. They just happen. Nice and melty. Crown mentioned last night doing a show with you. Dude, again, like I told him, like I've said it to where I know that y'all will literally respond. Y'all will say, hey, Mitch said this to him. Like you can just let him know I would be proud, honored, and love to be on his show at any time to talk about anything he wants to talk about. Hopefully TA, not Hex or something, weird. Hex projects and Rolexes. We talk about the intricate variables that go into a system. That is about respecting the technical analysis. So as Bitcoin continues to dump, it's already down almost 1%, $252 on the new day. That's only been around for 21 minutes. So that's it, dude. That's it. That's how the cookie crumbles, or some S or something. Okay. Welcome to crypto, dude. Again, all right. You're in the dead middle of a trading range, and then you produce a symmetrical triangle. That is indecision within indecision. That is stupid. Coin flips. You flip that coin. Bitcoin's bullish. You flip that coin. Bitcoin's bearish. That's where we are right now. In the middle of the summer, in the middle of the year too. Like, if it could only get more insane. Slurpee, that's never happening. Okay, that's never gonna happen, dude. Okay, I get it. I've witnessed today kind of what the whole thing is with that. And look, I love the chart, but this is not an infomercial. I'm not gonna let people just come on and just shill their asset, whatever. Like, again, dude, like I love the chart. I think it's awesome. It looks fine right now. I think Hex looks good right now, technically. Let's go, B-dubs. Let's go.
Jared Gibson, great trades. Let's spin cheers, brothers.
Let's spin cheers. All right, Jared Gibson, you've been called out, dude. Could be Gerard Gibson. I don't know. Yeah, I might get a calculator watch too. B-dubs, I'm sorry, man. It landed on spinner drinks. So unfortunately, get wrecked in a positive way. Bitcoin's down over 1% now, and it's just not looking good. One high, a second high, a low, that second high is a lower high, then a lower high, then almost like a double top lower. It's pathetic, dude. It is trash on the 4 hour. The hidden bullish divergence was pathetic. Like, what are you doing, man? What kind of hidden bullish divergence have I seen is good on that, man? It's trash. Positive momentum just goes negative again. So give me a break, man. We got Jared Gibson, get wrecked. He says, dang, with a bunch of M's. Yeah, dude. This is my calculator watch. You see this? I got this calculator watch. I got this calculator watch. I am calculated out. I got a quiculator going on. Look at me. Buy my S-Coin. There is certainly manipulation. You don't need to know if there's manipulation. 10 pence, it exists. That's it, dude. Oh my god, dude, I can't even believe this. Jesus.
Joined the Patreon 1 year ago. Immersed myself in education and discipline training. Retired 6 weeks ago. Thank you, Mitch. Keep shining that light.
Do you hear that, chat? He joined the Patreon 1 year ago. He invested in himself, and he is retired 6 weeks ago. Thank you so much, dude, for all the contributions. Unbelievable. Dr. Colossus. You have to be close to B-dubs tonight, dude, right? I mean, are y'all not going for the session top? Who's going to be the session top Jesus man? For real. One Up Coin is broken right now, Bob Villa. I could understand that. Thank you for letting me know. No one else let me know that. That happens. I could imagine that happened. Especially after I get banned and then unbanned or whatever. What is it? OneUpCoin.com or something? Can't remember. Bueller?
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Need to log in with Twitch. Yeah, Bitcoin looks like it's gonna break down soon, huh? Yeah, it is broken right now. Dang, dude. Wait, no. Two seconds. Sorry. This is real life, man. It's a joke.